In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate workflow n8n. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a deactivated node back on so your automation can run smoothly again without changing anything else in your setup. First, open n8n in your browser. You can go to the main n8n site or directly to your own instance, depending on how your workspace is set up. If you're prompted to sign in, just log in as you normally would. Once you're in, head to your workflows area and open the specific workflow you want to work with. This will bring you to the visual editor where your nodes are laid out on the canvas and connected by lines that show the flow. Inside the workflow, look for the node that's currently deactivated. In n8n, a deactivated node is usually dimmed or marked with a small indicator showing it's turned off. Selecting it will highlight the node and display its details in the side panel, which is helpful for confirming you've got the right one. Nodes are often deactivated temporarily during testing to prevent a trigger from firing or while troubleshooting an error. Make sure the node you're about to activate is the one you intend to bring back online. Now bring your cursor over the node itself. When you hover on it, you'll see the node's quick actions appear. This hover state exposes the controls you need without cluttering the canvas, and it's the easiest way to access the option we're looking for. Click the activate option. Depending on your theme and version, this may look like a toggle or a small button labeled activate. Once clicked, the node should immediately shift from its inactive appearance to the active state, often changing color and removing the disabled indicator. That's your confirmation that the node is live again. From here, the workflow will treat that node as active during execution. If it's a trigger node, it will be ready to listen for events the next time the workflow runs automatically based on its trigger conditions. If it's a regular processing node, it will execute the next time the workflow runs, either from an upstream trigger or when you test the workflow. If the node was previously off due to misconfiguration, it's a good idea to glance at its parameters in the side panel and ensure everything looks correct before relying on it in production. Also, keep an eye on any visual status hints on the node. n8n does a good job of signaling errors or missing credentials. And that's it. Open n8n, navigate to your workflow, select the deactivated node, hover to reveal the controls, and click activate. Simple, clear, and effective.